Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can open someone's Snapchat without them knowing. So firstly, just open up your Snapchat, go to your chat section, and now what you have to do is put your phone into the flight mode. And now just click on the snap you want to see. As you can see, the Snapchat symbol has been changed into received, meaning we have seen the Snapchat. Now the main trick is just quickly uninstall the application from your device and press uninstall. Then go back to Play Store. Now you can disable your flight mode and enable your Wi-Fi or data, whatever you may use. And just download the application again. After downloading is over, just click open and then just log into your Snapchat account. And after completely logging into Snapchat, just go back to your chat section. And now if you see at the snap, it is still marked as blue, but previously we did watch it and the user didn't even know that we watched their snap. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.